Welcome to this introduction to Docker, your gateway into modern software deployment. Whether you're a developer, sysadmin, or tech enthusiast, Docker is a tool you need to understand. Let's dive in. Docker is an open-source platform that automates the deployment, scaling, and management of software applications within lightweight, portable containers. It allows developers to package their applications and their dependencies into a single, self-contained unit that can be run on any environment. A Docker container is a lightweight, standalone, and executable package that includes your application code, dependencies, libraries, config files, everything your app needs to run. A virtual machine VM is a software emulation of a physical computer. It runs a full operating system OS and uses a hypervisor to virtualize hardware resources like CPU, memory, and storage. Here are some must-know Docker commands. A Docker image is a read-only template used to create containers. It includes the application code, libraries, and dependencies. You can build custom images using a Docker file or pull them from Docker Hub. When you run a Docker image, it becomes a container, a running instance of that image. Containers are isolated from each other and the host system, making them secure and reliable. Docker volumes are used to persist data generated and used by Docker containers. Even if a container is removed, volumes can keep your data intact. They're the best way to manage container data storage. Docker networking, one of the core features that lets containers communicate with each other and the outside world. Docker Compose is a tool that allows you to define and run multi-container applications using a simple YAML file. Docker Compose is a tool for defining and running multi-container Docker applications. With a simple YAML file, you can configure all your services and spin them up with a single command, Docker Compose Up. The default network driver in the Docker network is Bridge. But if you want the network driver as per you want, then you can create it and then attach it with the Docker container. There are multiple types of Docker network drivers such as Bridge, Host, MACLAN, IPLAN, Overlay, None. Docker takes care of the networking aspects so that the containers can communicate with other containers and also with the Docker host. If you do an ifconfig on the Docker host, you will see the Docker Ethernet adapter. This adapter is created when Docker is installed on the Docker host. Whenever you run a container, it by default attaches with a Bridge network driver, but if you want to attach with your desired network driver, then you can do it by the command, in which you have to specify the network name assuming that network is already created by you. Docker Container 1 under the Docker Network 1 can access or communicate with Docker Container 2 and Docker Container 3. Also, every Docker container can communicate with any other Docker container if that container is under the same Docker network. But any Docker container of Docker Network 1 can't communicate with any Docker container of Docker Network 2 because the network is not the same. So, to access or communicate with other Docker Networks containers, you can do it with the help of port mapping. Thanks for watching this Docker introduction. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more DevOps content, and leave your questions in the comments. See you in the next video.